right, so for our 3 types of cheese crisps, we're gonna need some mozzarella cheese, 2 jalapenos, and I've already removed the seeds and cut them in half and washed them, and 3 slices of chopped bacon, along with some chives. These are optional, and along with some original blend Mrs. Dash and some pepper. You will also need a pan with some parchment paper. So what we're gonna do right now is we're just going to dice up our jalapeno peppers here to get them small. So now we've got some diced jalapeno peppers there. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your tray, and we're going to do 3 kinds. So all you're going to do is you're going to grab your cheddar cheese. You're just going to make just little circles. From there, you're going to grab some bacon. So I'm going to put some bacon on a few of these. And put some jalapenos on the other ones. So we have them coated and with our jalapenos and some bacon on some of them. And now I'm gonna just take some of this Mrs. Dash. Along with some crushed pepper. And a little bit of chives. Now we're gonna pop these into the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. So I've gone ahead and grabbed another pan, and I've got a piece of lined paper, and we're just gonna make some plain cheese ones. I'm going to take some of this Mrs. Dash and some crushed black pepper. And that's it for this one. And pop this into the oven for 10 minutes at 350. All right, so I've just pulled them out of the oven. This is what they're going to look like. So there'll be brown on the outside and all melted. They're just going to harden up a little bit as they cool off, and I'm going to pull out the other batch. All right, and here is just our plain cheese ones. We'll let those cool off. All right, let's check some of these out. So here is the jalapeno one. As you can see, it's nice and toasted, crispy. Here is the bacon one with cheese and some spice. And some just plain cheese ones. So 3 different kinds that you can make very easily. It's a great keto snack. So there you guys have it. 3 different kinds of keto cheese crisps with the bacon, with some jalapeno, and plain cheese. Give this a try, guys. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see future videos from me. Stay safe and healthy. Bye now.